Tesla is considering building an EV factory in Thailand, says Prime Minister. Tesla is considering building an EV factory in Thailand, says Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin. The information comes after he met with Elon Musk in New York last week. Thai Prime Minister Srettha Thavisin said that the country expects to receive at least $5 billion in investment. The investment is expected to come from Tesla and internet giants Google and Microsoft, reported Reuters. The Prime Minister said that Tesla is considering the possibility of building a factory for the production of electric vehicles, while Microsoft and Google are considering data centers. Tesla would be looking into an EV manufacturing facility. Microsoft and Google are looking at data centers, said Thavisin. He did not specify whether the $5 billion would be a combined investment or put in by each company individually. However, it seems that the discussion was about the total amount of investment. The Prime Minister also said that new foreign investment will stimulate the weakening Thai economy. Thavisin was speaking to reporters in Bangkok after attending the UN General Assembly in New York. During his stay, he met with Elon Musk last week. Thavisin shared some information after the meeting and seemed impressed by what Musk's companies are doing for all humanity. The Prime Minister wrote on X that the leaders discussed Tesla, SpaceX, and Starlink technologies. He was impressed by the progress these companies had made. Thavisin said he is rooting for the company's technology to succeed because it brings benefits to the world. Thailand is the fourth largest automobile assembly center in Asia. The country is offering incentives to electric vehicle and battery manufacturers, as well as tax cuts for local electric vehicle buyers. Source: reposted and summarized from Eva Fox at Tasmanian.